What you have here is the Noppoo Choc Mini Cherry MX Red keyboard. This keyboard is 84 key sized, leaving a footprint of 32 by 13 centimeters on your desk and weighs approximately 550 grams. The keys themselves are made from polybutylene terephthalate, one of the hotter and most durable materials for keycaps. The keyboard comes attached with a USB 2.0 cable. It is Otg compatible with Android, but unfortunately does not support Mac computers. Function keys on the Choc Mini give access to a number pad, several meter keys, and a switch lock, allowing full 104 key functionality of a standard keyboard. The great thing about this keyboard is the NK rollover functionality. Basically, it allows you to bottom out all keys at once by emulating multiple keyboards through the use of one USB port. The build quality of the keyboard feels cheap, but somewhat sturdy. You can see here that I can flex it without applying much force. You also find that the keyboard side prints scratch off rather easily. Typing on this keyboard is rather pleasant. However, you find yourself missing keys initially due to the keyboard size. As a Cherry MX Red keyboard, it is only moderately loud and does not require bottoming out keys to register a key press. So where the hell do you find this keyboard? I managed to find this on eBay quite a while ago. It takes 2 weeks to ship from Hong Kong. You have to pay $120 for the keyboard and $15 for the shipping. In conclusion, the Choc Mini is a reliable small keyboard which retains the functionality of a standard keyboard through the use of number pad functions. I can easily recommend this for someone who just wants a small mechanical keyboard in order to save some desk space.